In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make links clickable in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. Making links clickable in Figma is a very straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open up the slide or frame in Figma where you'd like to add your clickable link. You can do this by navigating directly within your project to the appropriate slide. It's always helpful to have your design open so you can see the changes you make in real time. Once you're in the right spot, the next step is to write the text that you want to display instead of showing the link directly. This could be something simple like "click here" or the name of your website. It's just a matter of how you want to encourage users to click through to your link. After you've created your text, the next move is to initiate the linking action. You can do this by clicking on the action icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Alternatively, a quicker way to access the linking feature is by hitting Ctrl and K on your keyboard. This shortcut can save you some time. Now that you've accessed the link option, you'll see a prompt that asks you to type or paste a URL. This is where you'll enter the web address you want to link to. Just make sure it's accurate so your users can navigate to the correct page. Next, go ahead and type your desired URL into that black box asking for it. It could be a link to your portfolio, a website, or even a social media page. Just make sure it's relevant to the content you're creating. Once you've pasted the URL, your last few steps are super easy. Click on the text you just created that should now have the link associated with it. If you've done everything right, you'll notice the cursor changes to let you know that it's a clickable link. When you hover over it and click, it should take you directly to the website you've linked. And just like that, you've created a clickable link in Figma. How simple was that? If you need to check your work, you can always preview your design to make sure the link is functioning correctly. That brings us to the end of our tutorial. Congratulations! You've successfully added a clickable link in Figma. Feel free to experiment with different texts and URLs to see how they fit into your design. Remember, creating effective and interactive designs is all about clarity and accessibility for the users. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips like this. Learning how to use